4, 3, 2, 1, start. At the outset, it is relevant to observe that the learned single judge did not issue summons in the suits and proceeded to finally adjudicate them after hearing the learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the contesting is triple to oppose the very admission of the suits when they first came up before the court stop, since the averments made in the plaints were neither refuted nor traversed in any manner whatsoever, the suits having been dismissed at the threshold, the facts stated therein as are germane of the due adjudication of these appeals are being considered. Stop. It is relevant to observe here that both the present appeals as well as the suits from which they arise are identical mutatis mutandis. Stop. Stanza. Dr. Beena Modi, who instituted CS within bracket OS 84/2022 and is the appellant in RFA within bracket OS 21/2022, is the widow of the late K.K. Modi within bracket KK and the mother of Charu Modi and Sameer Modi bracket Charu and Sameer bracket close, who are the appellants in RFA within bracket OS 22/2022, having instituted CS within bracket OS 85/2022 bracket hereinafter collectively referred to as appellants. Stop. Lalit Modi within bracket Lalit is the elder son of Beena and the brother of Charu and Sameer and is the solitary contesting party. Stop. The suits were filed by the appellants seeking inter alia declaration and permanent injunction against Lalit, restraining the latter from proceeding with the application for emergency measures bracket emergency application bracket close in an arbitration initiated by the latter. Stop. Stanza. The trust of which KK was the settler is stately governed by the provisions of the Trusts Act and has its registered office at K1 Maharani Bagh, New Delhi 110065. Stop. The trust is governed by the restated trust deed and as per clause 38 thereof operates in suspension of all previously executed deeds, memoranda, other undertakings, etc., save and except two deeds of adherence executed by the parties separately. Stop. The clause 38 reads as follows. Clause 38. Stop. Stanza. It is agreed that henceforth this deed shall operate in supersession of the deed of trust dated 10th February 2006, memorandum of oral family settlement dated 10th February 2006, the supplemental deed of trust dated 3rd October 2026, second oral family settlement dated 3rd October 2006, and all other understandings and minutes recorded prior to the date of this deed bracket save and accept the deed of adherence dated 10th February 2006 and deed of adherence dated 30th December 2006 bracket close and all actions taken pursuant to the said deeds and prior to the execution of this deed shall be deemed to be actions taken under this deed. Stop. It is further clarified that this deed shall be absolute and final and shall be the only document to be relied upon, and all other documents executed prior to the date of this deed shall not have validity. Stop. The settler passed away on 2/11/2019. Stop. Upon the demise of the settler, Bina, in accordance with clause 3.2 of their restated trust deed, forthwith and without further action assumed the role of the managing trustee of the trust. Stop. A dispute has emerged amongst the trustees of the trust. Stop. Over.